Welcome to a world untouched by human presence. In this exploration, we delve into an existence without the evolution and existence of humans. Join us as we uncover the mysteries of a planet shaped solely by the forces of nature. Picture a world where nature reigns supreme, untouched by human intervention. Vast forests teem with diverse wildlife, each species intricately connected in the tapestry of life. Majestic rivers carve their paths through untouched valleys, while mighty mountains stand tall, unchanged by human conquest. In this absence of human influence, the delicate balance of ecosystems remains undisturbed. Extraordinary creatures fill the niches, evolving unique adaptations to thrive in this humanless world. Nature's creativity knows no bounds. As we contemplate our non-existence, we realize the profound interconnectedness of all life. Each organism plays a crucial role, contributing to the intricate web of existence. The world carries on, a testament to the resilience and beauty of the natural order. So, what if humans didn't evolve and exist? It's a humbling question that invites us to reevaluate our place in the grand scheme of things. Nature's majesty persists, with or without our presence. It reminds us of the profound importance of respecting and preserving the wonders of our planet. As we explore the boundless possibilities of alternate realities, let us embrace our responsibility as stewards of the earth. Whether we exist or not, the world's splendor deserves our reverence. Let us cherish the diverse tapestry of life and work to protect it for the sake of all living beings. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey through a world without human evolution. If this exploration has sparked your imagination, share your thoughts on other captivating what-if scenarios. And don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening journeys into the uncharted realms of existence. Until next time, may the wonders of the world continue to inspire, whether we are there to witness them or not.